In primetime news this evening, a principal rejects CSEC cheating claims.
To the best of my knowledge, there was nothing untoward.
Residents set ablaze business place of alleged child molester in Trelawney. And later, uncertainty looms as several Clarendon residents try to prove ownership of their land.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Javon Keys.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in the business day. I'll have that. And FESCO is raising more capital on the bond market.
There's also Primetime Sports and Karen Madden is standing by with a preview.
Well, Javon, following Monday's frightening incident when NFL star Damar Hamlin suffered a cardiac arrest while playing, one local sports medicine space is reiterating the critical need for life-saving equipment during sporting events. More later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what can be done to remove the stigma surrounding mental health issues?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package continues right after the break.